With this leg where they see for Africa. This leg where they see for Africa. Leaders of tomorrow.
They call him Dirty Water, Ikwikwi of the Seraph, Amusu of the Cherubim. The man will not fear anybody when it comes to speaking the truth. So General Asabuja has spoken again, and this time he did not just talk, he answered the questions people have been asking him for a very long time. So first of all, General Asabuja is still insisting that there are people trying to set him up. According to him, certain individuals are not comfortable with his voice, some are allegedly using others to plan against him, and because he speaks without fear, he believes he's not a target.
God has brought me to come and deliver the good news. God has sent me to come and send the good message, the good tidings. God said, go and tell them the good tidings. When I see white, I call them white. When I see blue, I call them blue. When I see yellow, I call them yellow. Now I make on I want kill me. Now I make on I want buy me. Now I make on I want set me up. Or I want frame me up. Come put God and say that me get them. Come put hand say that me get them. Now all this thing, say if I see yellow, I say that yellow. Nigerians. Uniform people waiting happen. Uniform people waiting happen. Why truth no good for now? How much will your salary when they send you? Check your wife, check your children, check your clothes where they wear, check the food. Uniform man, how much will your salary? Small boys, they busy. They carry our money, they carry billion upon billion, trillion. If they busy, then they pay you 100 and something thousand. They do dirty work for them. Then they pay you 80 something, 70 something. 200 and something. If they do dirty work for them. Now so it be. You don't go change. That's a papa. Then they send you message anyhow. Go set them up. Go kill them. Go arrest them, you go. When fella say, zombie no go unless they tell them to go. Zombie no go sit unless they tell them to sit. Now what you know that won't be? Make us revive Nigeria. Make us revive Nigeria. And they beg on her. On a don't scatter Nigeria for us. Things need to go well. What do we do on that? On your mandate. Now campaign be that one. On a rally be that one. Make us talk about this convo where this boy they carry the waka, this small boy. Obasanjo pikin no do like this. Buhari pikin no do like this. Good luck pikin no do like this. And they see the convo of the boy. Because he won't come out for governor for Lagos State. He won't take over governor for Lagos State. And they see the boy come back. The boy now don't turn to vice president. The boy don't turn, he don't turn to vice president. He don't turn to advisor to president. He don't turn to senate president. See the convo passive in governor own. The convo pass senate president own. Only on sick crowd. Soldiers hold on. In be soldiers. Waiting be in position for Nigeria. I don't just know. Why? When they see this thing, now the boy they control IG, they control chief of army staff, they control director of DSS. A small boy because the Babana president. Is there like this for other place? Now like this is supposed to be. My Igbo brothers wake up. Nigerians wake up. This is where they go like this. You're not supposed to go like that. You're not supposed. I beg. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, whether you believe that or not, that's one side of the story. But it did not stop there. Now, this is one issue many people have been asking him for a long time. Why are you always seeing training young boys and even girls? Why do most of his videos show them in what looks like security-style drills? Because let's be honest, these clips have raised serious eyebrows. But according to General Asabuja, he explained that what people are saying is not about what they think. From his own explanation, he says it's about training, discipline, and preparation, not about creating chaos or violence, and that people are misinterpreting what is being shown online. Now again, that is his own side of the explanation, but it definitely answers a question many people have been asking. Another major question he addressed, and this one is very sensitive, people have been asking him, why do you keep bringing up the release of Nnamdi Kanu? Now his response, honestly, this is where many people said he spoke with a lot of conviction. From what he explained, he believes it is about justice and fairness. He made it clear that his stance is not based on emotion alone, but on what he sees as a larger issue affecting the country. Whether you agree with him or not, you can tell he strongly stands on that position. Beyond all of the controversy, General Asabuja also had a message. He's basically telling Nigerians, stay alert, don't believe everything at face value, and understand that there are deeper things happening behind the scenes. And from the way he spoke, you can tell he's not backing down anytime soon. Now, as expected, people are already divided. People are saying this man is indeed very fearless. Listen to everything he has to say in this video.
Truth no good again. I go for the side of Nnamdi Kanu. They say make I need to talk about Nnamdi Kanu. Make I need to talk about why I no go talk about Nnamdi Kanu. An activist. She will go Abia State, go Aba, go the protest, make them release them. We are not talking about Africa, Biafra or IPOB. We are talking about releasing Nnamdi Kanu. They say Nnamdi Kanu kill person, in do this, in give order, in do this one. When they arrest Asari that could go Awoga, make I tell you one story. All of us know the story. When Asari did detention, so many people use Asari name, Alhaji Asari, will be king today, will be Amayanabo today. They use the name they cash out. When they do kidnapping, when they arrest company, when they arrest Oyibo, they go say, release Asari, or we no go release them. When the people pay ransom, they go collect, they go release them. Another group go again for Bayelsa or Warri or River State or Calabar anywhere, release Asari, they go they commit crime, they say release Asari, but when they pay money, they collect. All in the name of say they arrest Asari the detention, the king the detention. They use the name, they cash out, use the name, they do kidnapping, they do robbery, they do dirty work. All now Asari. And all of us know so nobody Asari send them. They use and they reach themselves. They use and they put money for their pocket. They hustle, they reach themselves. All they go say na Asari. Asari send them. No. Asari no send them to do kidnapping. Asari no send them to do robbery. Asari no be man when they do those dirty things. But that time when they hold up, you go see kidnapping everywhere. They go say, hey, they don't leave Asari. But when they pay them money, they go collect. The same thing with Nnamdi Kanu. Nnamdi Kanu, you know they see. If people go thief, they go say release Nnamdi Kanu. Then go burn shop, release Nnamdi Kanu. Even opposition, governor, the opposition go scatter to shoot God, they go say release Nnamdi Kanu. This group will go do something, they go say IPOB. Kidnappers will go do something, they go say IPOB. Thief will go do something, they go say na Biafra. Anybody do something, release Nnamdi Kanu. You go see bad boy, robbery suspect go do something, they say Nnamdi Kanu. We know how this game. People who don't like Nnamdi Kanu go commit crime, they go say na IPOB. People who hate Nnamdi Kanu to remain there, they go say na IPOB. They commit crime every day, they go say na Nnamdi Kanu. We know all this game. This game then they tie on now. When person talk through and I say, why you talk through? This thing then they tie on now. You don't tire me. Just like this one, or people when a chief priest, they go Imo State. They go do on your mandate, which I stand on your mandate. See people, Papa. See matured men. Iberibe warrior. See foolishness on your mandate. The mandate where they shake or mandate where they sink. See price of Gary, cucumber. See price of watermelon. See price of everything. See price. This one in Nigeria they produce them. See the price. Carry 100,000 go market. You go small island, come back. It's on your mandate. See solar for villa. They don't put solar for villa. I saw now solar. It's on your mandate. Now solar they say on your mandate. On your mandate no light. Nothing we see for these 4 years. And they sing on your mandate. The boys going to carry convoy, military everywhere, uniform, full everywhere. In the governor, no. In the deputy governor, no. In the this one, no. No position. Say the president's son. The one why they hear again say wife. She wife, go see the convoy. The wife anywhere they go. See the convoy everywhere. If the governor wife know this like that. Now so we're gonna go. Now like this we're gonna live. Somebody talk through and I say, on the track him, on the find him. Somebody call me, why this one go. Now I make a put to my number. If they find who to track, if they find who to arrest, I am there. I'm waiting. I don't bring myself. Frame me up. Set me up. I am an activist. If you find dirty thing where you set me up, you don't go see. Track me come. And the fear tracking, man will carry death for pocket the waka. Death is unbeatable, and then the fear him. I carry death for pocket the waka. Either they move me, either they shake me. I don't grow past to threaten death. Go ask people, go see my grown-up children. See my grown-up children. How I go fear? Fear death. Say what will happen. I may make an arrest. Truth no good again. Person talk through, find what to talk. Find what to set them up. God will punish all of an idea. We say truth no good. All of an we say truth no good. Turn the fire on.
Mr. General Asabuja, aka the Two-Water.
Huh?
You think that Nigeria will be better again?
If the youth no wake up, it no go better. If the masses no wake it no go better. If then they fear to die, it no go better. If they wait for this old man to renew Nigeria, it go hard. Let the masses wake up. If una no wake up, it no go better. It no go better. And if we no do it for our own time, our children no go fit do them. We need to do it now, not be our children. This Indomie children, no go fit. Una don't hear NEPA now. Una hear them. They go soon take them again. Now what will they see? NEPA don't bring them. They go take them again. NEPA don't do you. You go see now, they go take them. Now the country where we did. So we work with the youth, the men, the brothers. If we not do it now, our children will be Indomie children no go fit. Spaghetti children no go fit. Jay-Z children no go fit. Computer children no go fit. Now we go do them. If we not fit to do it now, it go hard. These computer children no go fit. The masses arise and fight for your right. Wake up and fight for your right. Arise. If we don't do it now, we don't go fit. These people hold us for secure one. Now their children they replace. Now their children they put for all position. On another they see them. On another they talk. Go see hardship everywhere. On another they talk. May God forbid this kind of country, fear country, fear youth. Make on wake up.
Mr. Asabuja, last week we are still on Igbo TV. Please, last 2 weeks we went for Rupa Kolosi, I think precisely at Liosi, and we went for a police station. We got fuel 820 naira. But just this week we went for Abua. We bought fuel 1,500. So how can you talk about the fuel?
Leave fuel on me. I buy today diesel. I buy diesel 1,700 today. They follow me go. My boys follow me. I buy diesel a liter 1,700 today. Today 1,700 I buy diesel. When I see blue, I go say na blue. When I see yellow, na yellow. When I see black and white, I go say this is black and white. They want back and join you. Somebody they ask question. If they pay you bribe, you don't go change. If they pay you bribe, you don't go change. How I go take change? How much you want pay me? Trillion? You won't pay me trillion? I only need good government. I don't be politician. I need good government. Good government to renew Nigeria. If I see good government, I go follow. If I see who go do River State, who go do Abia State, who go do any of the state, well, I go work with them. I need good politician. We get conscience, we get good heart. Who go renew Nigeria, who go renew the state. Now I go work with them. I no be politician, but I go work with them. Who go carry Nigeria along? Work no day. First we go create job for people. Security go there everywhere. The shooting, the killing, robbery go reduce. Job everywhere, create job everywhere. These are our resources one that they carry, they do anyhow. It is sweet on her. On her like him. You no go well now. Make we no talk again. Now try to talk truth. If you fight against truth, truth go fight against you. If you see truth, say no be truth. Earth go open and swallow you. My mother ask me a question, and I will gather to ask me some question. I don't ready for question.
Mr. Gabriel,
Bring your voice audible.
Most people say that you are just fighting for your personal interest, just like other activists and most Nigerians. That you are fighting for your pocket, your personal interests. I hope if maybe government come or any government body come to give you something or try to bribe you or catch your mind, I hope you not stand against the truth or what you are
Till
fighting.
tomorrow, this is what God has sent me to do. Now this thing make God create me. God brought me for this. Go and verify. I see anywhere we through today, I did there. Go verify. Since 1991, people will know me. Indigene, non-indigene will tell you. In they lie you. You go cross it and you tell them. Upon money way pay me, I go talk the truth. So because he pay me money, I don't go talk truth. When I see black, I go call him black. Instead, I don't go talk through. I close my mouth, I go look on her. I don't go talk. I need who go renew Nigeria. Who go change Nigeria? Good government I will need.
General Asabuja.
Oh yes.
This is Igbo TV.
Okay.
And, the nationwide have been watching you, but some places are like you are betrayer, like you are supporting Wunke, you are supporting Sim, you are supporting a nation that you don't know where you are. So can you tell us why they say you are supporting these three people but you don't know where you are?
I am not supporting Wike. Everybody know Wike. Wike don't like me. But me, I like her. The only thing, my problem with Wike, leave sin to play. When Wike dey as governor, nothing like Godfather. And now Wike carry sin give us. Why leave and make him finish? That be my problem. I am not supporting anybody. I love Wike. I like Amechi. I like all of them. I must love them. I no go hate them to hurt them. I no go hate them to do anything dirty on them. I love them. But make people air their mind. Make truth come out. No intimidation or oppress that I hate. All of us know how the oppressed dey from wicked side. They no get respect. We are see for what day. See the one where speak and do matching and make where down they bring governor bring somebody for commissioner. See how they turn am down. All those things I no like am. E no go well. When person say e no go well, he saying they take side. He saying they support. Mo will not talk through again. Right on. I greet people of Nigeria. My new name Obayemi. I greet people of Nigeria. And I know say na Tinubu be president. My name Nana Obayemi Asabuja. So General Asabuja the greet honor. The nickname as Tinubu na president Obayemi Asabuja. My name is General Asabuja, the Gabriel Asabuja, the Amusu of the Cherubim, the Kwikwi of the Seraph, the dirty water. As Tinubu na president na, Dara in son na Sheyi Tinubu, me a come be Obayemi Tinubu. In son na Sheyi Tinubu, my own name na come become Obayemi Tinubu or Obayemi Asabuja. Now I say, see where the boy, the whole convoy na he carry. The whole convoy, all that president children will not see the one we do like this. And all that president children will not see the one we come drag governor where Papa na president. Now what thing will they see? Now what thing will they see for Nigeria? Now they are done. You don't go well, look. Get more hojo, call bad thing. You don't go well. We go talk, they begin to threaten us. They begin to say, why we talk like this? You know, say, I don't get DSS. I don't get the whole uniform, police, soldiers. I don't get all the bad boys, street. We talk, they begin to threaten us. No need to threaten. Now I make I give you the number. Now I make I give on a number. The Amusu number. My WhatsApp and Facebook. As an Asabi track. That today my pocket and the carry and the waka. And they carry that in the work, and I make I give my number. I don't grow past to fear death. It's unbeatable. Now I make I give my number. It is my personal number. No be wayo, no be this. It is Amusu number, General Gabriel Asabuja number 080 343 that's 333 59771. Call the number day and night. You go get me. You go get me day and night. He come for the Airtel 070 111 into 4 1111 into 4. He put again 7722. That's my Airtel. I know they hide and track him on a Wasabi track. When somebody talk through, if they find who to track, somebody say white na white, you find who to track. Somebody say blue na blue, you find who to track. Now make I dey give the number. 070 333 59771. The Airtel 070 1111 into 4. And you can put 7722. The NTM 080 333 59771. And I define who to try. It's my personal number. Check caller tool. Check everything. You go see my name. I don't hide them. Now in the Facebook, WhatsApp. Now who they fear death they do? You when they come, you no go die. You when they come, how many head they get? So truth no good again. Every time corruption, oppress, intimidation for this country we suit like this. We get all mineral resources. Few people use us they do gambling. Use us they do paddy government. Use us they do wayo government. Use us they do RNG government. Make we keep quiet. For all the mineral resources we dey. Poverty everywhere. Hardship everywhere. We keep quiet. When you talk, they say why you talk. When you talk, but they say arrest and kill them. Buy them. Set them up. Now what would they say? I be activists. I be human rights activist. I am a freedom fighter. I be warlord. For my life or history, go check all division police around me, area command, state CID. I have never involved in robbery, kidnapping, stealing, raping. Go verify. I never involved for dirty work. Go verify. No be now go do them. Then they do left hand for old age. Now truth I get the talk. Truth to the vessel now. You go send in different people come. You go send in this one come. How much will their salary? You when they send come, how much do they pay you? How much will they pay you? Okay, now promotion they won't give you. As this country they dabaru like this, you like them. As this our sweet nation, they dabaru like this, and I like them. As this our sweet country, they scatter like this, they shake, they spoil, you like them. Nigerians, they busy, they travel outside country. They run, they come out. They run, they come out. But rather, we get everything to revive Nigeria. We get everything to renew Nigeria. Our boys, our children, our friends, our papa, young and old, they busy, they travel. They come out from Nigeria. They come out. Waiting happen. Waiting happen. And I just did about Nigeria for us. All this money one at the park, and I go live and go. Use other people know.
General Asabuja, we are still on PP TV. We had another news that said NFSS has come to stand the River State, that you are the DC operation. But because you have not joined body with some persons and they said the NFSS will not come to stand. So can you tell us how come they said NFSS will not come to stand in your efforts?
NFSS, if they like, they stand. If they like, make them no stand. Now federal government get them, no be me get them. So if the federal government go take because of one or two people or three people say no go stand, it consign them. We don't fight, we don't beg. It is for security for everybody. It's to guide the local community, bush, forest, farm, street community, company, hotel, offices. It's for security. Now for betterment of Nigeria. It is for betterment of the state, not be my own. Because why? I love security. That's why they cry about security. I love security. Make everybody work out freely for town. But if you carry politics put inside, it concern you. If you carry sentiment put inside, it concern you. That's all.
And there is another news that came still on the Igbo TV. They said as this operation you are in River State, that you have your own boys, like 200 and something boys, that you are training them on your own. On or in the notice of NFSS. So what can you tell us about that? Because it is allegation upon you that you are training boys.
You know why I love this country, Nigeria? No allegation you will not hear. I'm training boys, I'm not training boys. Come point to the barrack where they did the train. Normal, my boys, my children, every morning they go for exercise. Exercise don't turn to training. Exercise is good for the body. Every morning they shake body, do exercise. Exercise don't go for the body. Exercise is good for the body. So we should be training them. Which barrack, which place? See, women being must talk. They must talk, but show the proof. Just like Asabuja get this, in get arm, in get the come punch hand where in there. In get two, in get plenty. Carry the come punch hand where you keep them. No carry your own, come keep you. That's the thing. No allegation you no go hear. As an activist, as a freedom fighter, you will hear so many things to set you up, to frame you up, to buy you, you go hear them. Right on, I need more question. No question again. On another tire, pressmen, journalists. On another tire for question. On another tire.
Asabuja.
Yes.
You said the more question. We have tried to ask the people. They said no, that you are good, calm. They have gone to the Google and asked of you. They said you are good, calm, and everything that they don't want question that you should judge. They just need your advice.
Advice I need is let them revive Nigeria, renew Nigeria. See, too much money there for this country. Too much resources. The one where they not, we need to touch them all. The one where they not, they never hear. Gold, mining, precious stone, we never near there. This one are just oil. We never they touch cocoa. We never touch charcoal. We never touch timber. We never touch so many things. Coal. Things that we never touch. Rubber, we never touch them. Just oil. See the too much money. Internal revenue. We never go anywhere. This money too much. Only few people. Only cabal. Some few cabal. They use them. Make us fool. Make us here. I use this opportunity to call people of Nigeria, the masses, the youth. Make on wake up. If on no wake up, this old men will do us here. These old men, when they finish, they go put to their children. This papa them, we're supposed to give us advice. Then go deal with us. And they say leaders of tomorrow. The youth are leaders of tomorrow. Like this. With this leg where they see. With this leg where they see for Africa. This leg where they see for Africa. Leaders of tomorrow. With this leg where they see for Africa. Leaders of tomorrow. It no go well, no. It no go well. Leaders of tomorrow with this leg. Go see all African presidents. Some of them they shake like epilepsy. Go check all African presidents. Some they shake like epilepsy. Some they shake like a cocoa. Some they waka like a besa. African presidents them. Old men, old papa, we're supposed to give the youth. Sit down as advisor. Sit down to talk to us. Renew Africa. Renew Nigeria. Renew River State. Now I be my own. That's all. More question.